안녕하세요, 여러분. This is Anthony Gersoniba, vlogger South Korea. So, ito na guys, yung panibago nating strategy ulit. So, faster pattern for memorizing vocabs. Okay? So, sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy, mag-message lang po ulit kayo. So, in this lesson guys, ang gagamitin nating keyword ay itong syllable of. Okay? So, lahat ng mga related dito sa of, sa may of, ayan, yung mga vocabularies na yan. Ganyan ang madaling paraan para mas madali nating mapamiliarize or ma-memorize itong mga vocabularies. Okay? So, itong keyword na of ay these syllables is related to work and or industry. Okay? So, related siya sa mga trabaho or sa industry. So, episode 1 to guys. So, abangan nyo yung episode 2 and episode 3. So, number 1, itong GCOP ay work. Okay? So, kapag nakita na natin guys ito sa exam, yung of, so mas madali na natin siyang madidistinguish. Okay? So, number 2 is yung SANOP, industry. Number 3, SAOP, business project or business or project. Number 4, GUYOK, industry of education. And then number 5, Jeju of manufacturing. Number 6, Nung of agriculture. Number 7, Susanop fishing industry. Then number 8, yung Guang of mining. Okay? So number 9, Jongbu Tung Shinop. Okay? Information and communication industry. Okay? And then number 10, Changop ay business startup or nagsisimulang business. Number 11, Chiop, employment. Number 12 is Jakopok, work uniform or work clothes. And then number 13, Sanop, good work or good job. 14, Gop ay bad job or bad work. Okay? And then number 15, Tegi of big business or corporation. 16, Opchok, achievement. 17, Ommu ay task or business report, gawain o trabaho sa opisina. 18, Keop, opening or start or launch for business. 19, Opbu, karma. So, ito ibig sabihin guys ng karma. Opbu. Okay, tandaan natin yan. 20, Saop ka ay business person or entrepreneur. Okay. 21, Churop, graduation. Okay. So, in everyday guys, kapag nakabisado natin ito, mas mapadadali yung ating pag-aaral ng Korean language. So, hanggang yan lang guys. I hope makatulong sa inyo ito. So, maraming salamat. Thank you and God bless.